Good morning students. So today we will continue the next topic of computers first lesson. Examples of secondary storage media. First one is hard disk. Hard disk is a magnetic storage media. So it is a magnetic storage media which stores data in magnetic spots. It has very huge capacity, storage capacity. That means hard disk is able to save many more data. That means usually between 250 GB and 1 TB. That means hard disks are able to store the data of 250 GB to 1 TB. It is the most commonly used secondary storage media and it is mostly used secondary storage media. A hard disk can be placed and connected to the computer either inside the CPU box or connected from outside to the CPU box through cables. So that is the hard disk drive which is connected inside the CPU, and that one is hard disk that connects from outside the CPU. That means with the help of that cable, that is wire, using that cable we will able to connect that hard disk to the computer. So according to that according to that connection, hard disk have two types: internal hard disk and external hard disk. So next is CD, that is compact disk. Have you seen that CD before? Yeah, many of you have seen that CD. So let's study about it. Compact disk is commonly referred to as CD. It is an optical storage media. So which type of media is that? It is an optical storage media. It is a popular and an economical storage media. So it is very popular storage media. Have you seen that before some time? That is before some years. There are some movies come in the market in that through that CD. So it is available in different storage capacities up to 700 MB. That means we can store data in the CD up to 700 MB. There are three kinds of CDs. So there are three kinds of CDs which are there: CD-ROM, CDR and CD-RW. So CD-ROM, that is compact disk read only memory. CDR is a compact disk recordable, and CD-RW, that is the compact disk rewritable. So first one is, it is read only CD. The user cannot change, delete or save any more data to it like a movie CD. So in CD-ROM, user is not able to store any type of data or to delete any type of data. So for example, movie CD. Then second is CDR. It is a recordable CD. The data once written on this type of CD cannot be deleted. So if we once write data in the CD, that means we put data in the CD, we are not able to delete it again. Hence we can use this CD only once. That's why we are able to use that type of CD only one time. Next is a CD-RW. It is the rewritable CD. The data stored in it can be deleted and new data can be stored. It can be used again and again. So in this type of CD, we are able to store data, then again we are able to delete it, and if we want to store data again and again, we can do it here. A computer has a device called CD drive. So computer has device that is called CD drive inside the CPU. It helps to read the CD. So by using that CD drive, we are easily use that CD in the computer. Next is digital versatile disk, that is DVD. Digital versatile disk is popularly known as DVD. So it is known as a DVD. It is also an optical storage media. So CD and DVD both are the optical storage media. It looks similar to CD, but video and audio quality of DVD is much better than CD. So look at both the pictures, that both that disk look same, but that DVD having much better audio and video quality than the CD. Also it has much larger storage capacity, and also the storage capacity of DVD is greater than CD. it can save up to 4.7 GB data. So how much data that CD can save? Only 700 MB, but digital versatile disk, that is DVD, is able to store 4.7 GB of data. Like the CD, we need DVD drive to read the DVDs. So for CD we need CD drive, so for DVD we need DVD drive. So there are two types of DVD. First one is DVD-R and second is DVD-RW. So R means recordable and RW means rewritable. So it is a recordable DVD. So DVD-R is recordable DVD. The data once written on this type of DVD cannot be deleted. Same like CD-R, we are not able to delete the data from that DVD-R. That means we are able to use only once that CD. Then second is DVD-RW. It is rewritable DVD. That means data stored on it can be deleted and new data can be stored in it. That means we are able to use this DVD-RW again and again. So next is Blu-ray. There are two types of DVDs. So next is Blu-ray disc. The newest and most superior type of storage disc is a Blu-ray disc. So now latest version of CD disc, we can say that is a Blu-ray disc. The storage capacity of this disc equal to combined storage of capacity of many DVDs. That means one Blu-ray disc is equal to the many DVDs. Usually it can store up to 25 GB of data. That means we can store up to 25 GB of data in this Blu-ray disc. The disc needs a Blu-ray player to read it and it cannot be played in CD or DVD drive. So if you wanted to play that Blu-ray disc, so we need a special Blu-ray player. That means that CD cannot be played in CD or DVD drive. Next is a pen drive. So many of you are familiar with that device. Have you seen that device before? So it is also known as a flash drive or USB drive or thumb drive. So it is also known as a flash drive, USB drive or thumb drive. It is a small compact device which stores a large amount of data. So this one is used to store large amount of data. It stores data depending on its storage capacity. So pen drive comes in various storage capacity. The storage capacity of pen drive keeps increasing. It is the portable device which can be easily carried, and that is a portable device. That means if we want to carry it outside with us, so we are easily carried. It helps to transfer data from one computer to another. By using this, we are able to transfer data from one computer to another. It connected to the computer through USB ports available in the CPU box of the computer. So we can connect that pen drive to the CPU by using that USB ports. Pen drive is a reliable and safe storage device. So it is easy handling, easy use device. Its contents can be easily accessed and modified by user, and we can easily modify the contents of that device. It is available in variety of shapes and sizes and designs, and it is available in various shapes, size and design. Now students, you have to fill that blank spaces. Write another name for each of the following. Another name for internal memory, auxiliary memory, volatile memory, permanent memory and flash drive. Flash drive just we have studied here. So